Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best free accounting software options for the churches in 2026. Now, if your church is still tracking the tithes and offerings in Excel sheets, notebooks, or an old desktop system, sooner or later something will get mixed up, lost, or hard to explain during the board meetings. The good news here is that you don't need a big budget to keep clean financial records. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I will count down from number 5 to number 1 and explain which tool is best for the small churches, growing ministries, and volunteer treasurers with zero accounting background. Now, if you want to try any of these tools, you can just check out the link of them in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or sign up bonuses, and it actually depends on the offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So number 5 in the list is this GNU Cash software. Now, GNU Cash is a completely free open source accounting software that works on the Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can find the download links here on the homepage itself. Now, it's been around for years and is actually one of the most powerful free accounting tools available. Now, if your church has a treasurer who understands accounting, GNU Cash is going to give you full control over income and expenses tracking, assets and liability tracking, and most importantly, double entry bookkeeping. That means everything is recorded properly and the reports make sense. The best features that I would like to mention here of this particular software, like you can create a custom chart of accounts for ministries and funds. You can also do the split transactions, which is perfect when offerings need to be divided into the different funds like a mission fund or building fund, youth ministry, and more. So the pros of this particular tool are it's 100% free. It is going to give you very powerful accounting features. It is great long-term option for the serious bookkeeping. Now here are some of the cons too of this tool that I would like to mention. Like as you can see for yourself, it's desktop based and not cloud based. The interface is also like old school, and it is not ideal for the beginners who want something super simple. So in short, GNU Cash is best for the churches that want strong accounting and don't mind a desktop tool. Now, number 4 in the list we have is MoneyMinder Lite. Now, MoneyMinder Lite is built for the clubs and small non-profits, but its Lite plan works well for the small churches too, especially if you just need to track the basic income and the expenses. Now, this particular tool is best for the small congregations, for the volunteer treasurers, churches with the simple financial activity. So, if your church only needs tracking or simple reporting, MoneyMinder Lite can be a comfortable option. Now, here are some of the features that I would like to highlight. Like as you can see over here, you can click on the option of the start trial and you can get 30-day absolutely for free, meaning that it is web based and you can log in from anywhere. You can also categorize the income and the expenses by the ministry inside the software. You can generate the simple reports like income versus expense, transaction list, and basic summaries. So the pros would be it is beginner friendly, you are going to get the cloud access, and it is great for the churches with low accounting complexity. This software also has some of the cons which I would like to mention. Like it is not as powerful as true accounting software. You can outgrow the Lite plan, and it is also not built specifically for the churches. So MoneyMinder Lite is perfect if your church wants simplicity over complexity. Number 3 in the list we have is ZipBooks. Now ZipBooks is a cloud-based accounting tool that offers a free starter plan. Many small organizations use it as their first step moving away from the spreadsheets. Now because the interface looks modern and clean, even if someone is new to accounting, they can understand it quickly. So here, if we click on the option of features, you can see you are going to get cloud-based income and expense tracking. It is going to give you the basic reports like profit and loss and balance sheet. The invoicing feature is also included here, which is helpful if the church rents out space or runs paid events. So The pros of these particular tools are it is very simple and it is going to give you very clean UI. Plus it is cloud based, so it will be very convenient for you to access it from anywhere. The next thing is that it is great for the small churches that are moving from Excel. Now, if I talk about the cons, the free plan has some limitations. If you click on the option of pricing, you will come to know what you are going to get with the free plan. It is not church specific as well, and it has no built-in donor statements. So ZipBooks is best for the churches that want online accounting but don't need church management features. Now at number 2 in the list we have Church Track. Now this is one of the different because it is not just accounting software, it is more like a church management system that includes giving tools and basic financial tracking for churches. Now this particular tool is best for the churches that want giving or people management and finances. So basically it is going to give you everything on one place. Instead of using 4 to 5 tools, Church Track is going to help you centralize your things. Now you can track the donations here, pledges, and produce giving statements. You can categorize the budgets by the ministry. You can also see the attendance and the member database features. So if we just look at it, you will see that it is designed specifically for churches, which is a plus point. The second thing is that it combines people plus giving and finances. So it is good for the smaller churches that want organization. Now this particular software also has some of the cons that I think you should know. Like accounting is more basic here as compared to the real accounting tools. The larger churches may still need stronger accounting software later. So Church Track in my opinion is ideal if your priority is church specific features instead of that full accounting depth. Now number 1 in the list is Wave accounting software. So Wave is originally built for the small businesses, but it works extremely well for the churches because it supports proper accounting, clean reports, and easy online access. Now, because it is going to give you the real double entry accounting without paying monthly fees like QuickBooks or Xero, here are some of its features that I would like to mention. Like with the help of it, you are going to get full income and expense tracking, customizable categories, reports like balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow, receipt attachment, bank reconciliation in the supported regions, multiple user access for your treasurer and the leadership team. So Wave also help track multiple funds if you structure your accounts properly. So with that said, here are some of the pros and cons that I would like to mention. First, if I talk about the pros, it is best free accounting software overall among all of these, I would like to say. It is going to give you great reports for board teams. It will have easy access. You can access it from anywhere. There is no software installation needed. The cons are there is no church specification available here. It is a general bookkeeping tool. It has no built-in donor statements as well, and some of the features may vary from country to country. Still, for the majority of the churches, in my opinion, Wave is the strongest free option, and that's the reason I kept it at number 1. So that's it for today's video. These were the 5 best free accounting software options for churches in 2026. If you have found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe because I post easy software tutorials and tool reviews like this every single day. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.